This is part 2 of making your own Lego block using Sketchup software. And so I'm going to use the orbit tool here, and I'm going to rotate until I can see the underside of the Lego block, and as you can see right now it's just blank. And so I have to first of all use my tape measure tool. I measure 1.5 millimeters. Go here, same amount here, and same amount here. So I also want to put a line in here at the middle point, that's 7.95 millimeters. And I want to go here and make a line at the midpoint, that would be 15.9 millimeters. I'm going to double check this again, make sure that's exactly what I wanted. 7.95. Okay. Now, I can take my pencil tool. I'm just going to go from there to there to there to there and to there. I'm going to use my tape measure tool. You go from here 7.95 millimeters. And I'm going to use my tape measure to go from there to there, 7.95 millimeters. So those give me the locations of some important parts on the structure of the underside of the Sketchup block. So I'm going to use my circle tool. I'm going to go 3.225 millimeters. And you see down there in the lower right hand corner that it tells me I'm doing it right, but something didn't happen. Wait a minute. Is that right? No. Let me go again, 3.225. Okay, that's the right size. This one I'll get rid of. You know, everybody makes mistakes. Have you noticed that? It's just like, here we are, we're human beings. 3.225 and 3.225. Now I'm going to go from there, 2.225. Okay, now I want to form a little bit of structure, additional structure on the underside of the block. I go here 0.5 millimeters, and I'll go here 0.5 millimeters. So I'll take this pencil tool and I'll mark from there all the way to there, and from there all the way to there. And then I'm going to use my eraser tool to get rid of some things. I'll get rid of some lines. Make them just go away. Bye-bye. And now I've got extra lines there, extra measurement lines that don't need to be there. So I'm going to go up here to the edit menu. I'm going to go delete guides, and so those are all gone away. Now, one of the tools I just really like in SketchUp is the push-pull tool, because it just seems so magical the way it works. And so if I push that in like that and type in the dimension 8.6, now you don't have to remember these dimensions because I will have them published on a paper. If you just simply double click where you want to push, it will go into the exact measurement as the previous time. And with that, we have the underside formed of a Lego block, and it's made in such a way that it will fit perfectly another Lego block. And now we will use the orbit tool to bring it back around to where we can see it. And we can look at it from all different angles. You can even look at it from there so you see a little underside and above. And with that, my presentation is over. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful to you.